all she wrote. Last day in Alaska. Alright, it is a big travel day for us. We are headed out. We got to catch a plane at 6 o'clock this evening, and I believe we're on time this morning. Yeah, we're on time. We're good. All right, we made it to good old Fred Meyer's again, our favorite place. Probably check into our flight. Done.
Scan your shopper's card, enter your alternate ID, or thank you.
All right, we got some time to kill. We got 5 whole hours before the airport, so we are gonna spend time in beautiful Fairbanks. There's not much to see.
Naps. Snacks and naps.
Snacks and naps, yeah. Not gonna get any food on the airline, so this is what you gotta do. How are you? Doing good. Let's see.
Quite close.
Oh.
Gotta give it a big slam.
Slam.
So there's water bottles there next to you if you like. There's mints, chocolates, aux cable for some different music, and then Apple and Android chargers.
Wowzer. Perfect. Saving the day. Got that. Yeah, let's do
What just happened? I'm freaking out right now because our Uber driver was like so spot on. Like, he offered us like gum and mints and then like a fresh water bottle. That's probably under your last name. No, we have almond milk.
Okay.
We need to eat some of this. Downstairs? It's in your hand.
That's mine.
Why does it say my name?
Oh wait.
Aha!
Are we good? 2 passports,
We're
2
good.
tickets.
We're good.
Are we good? Alright, so we are going to be spending a very long time in the airport. We are going from Fairbanks to Seattle. Our flight was supposed to leave at 5:40, which was 2 hours ago, so we are on schedule to leave at 8 p.m. tonight, and we are not getting into Seattle until probably 1 a.m. this morning. Then final destination Sacramento, 5 a.m. So get ready for another all-nighter. Thank you. burning.
You look great.
Burning. Absolutely on fire. No sleep. Wow, we made it in one piece. Wearing way too many layers for California right now. California. This concludes the Alaska travel vlog. It is over.